Welcome to the Kinon sanding and polishing process. This guide walks you through each step to achieve our signature high-gloss finish. Step 1. Dry sanding. Begin by sanding the panel edges using 1000 grit sandpaper on a 3/16 orbital sander. Dry sanding the flat surface is optional. Use it only if there are visible imperfections or deep scratches. After sanding, wipe the panel clean with a microfiber cloth before moving on. Step 2. Wet sanding with 1000 grit. Wet the surface and edges with clean water before sanding. Using a Trizact foam 1000 disc, sand and smooth overlapping passes while keeping the panel wet at all times. After sanding, wipe the surface thoroughly with a microfiber cloth. Step 3. Wet sanding with 3000 grit. Re-wet the surface and continue with a Trizact foam 3000 disc. Sand evenly across all areas, maintaining a wet surface and consistent pressure. Clean the panel completely with a microfiber cloth. Step 4. Wet sanding with 5000 grit. Wet the surface again and finish with a Trizact foam 5000 disc. Work in sections with steady motion and even water distribution. Once complete, wipe the panel clean and inspect for uniformity. Sanding is now complete. Let's move into the polishing process to bring out the final high-gloss finish. Step 5. Polishing with Presta Supercut. Apply Presta Supercut compound using a lamb's wool bonnet and a handheld polisher. Work in sections with light, even pressure. Wipe the surface clean after the first polishing pass. Step 6. Polishing with Farecla Profile 400. Continue polishing with the same lamb's wool bonnet. Apply Farecla Profile 400 to refine the gloss level and smooth out the finish. Wipe between passes to check clarity and consistency. Step 7. Final polish with Festool. MPA 5010. Switch to a 3M foam polishing pad. Apply Festool MPA 5010. Speed cut compound and polish in overlapping sections. This step enhances clarity and produces the Kinon signature gloss. Step 8. Final cleaning. Spray the panel with surface cleaner and wipe down with a clean microfiber cloth. Inspect for a consistent, flawless finish. Your Kinon panel is now ready for installation. Thank you for following the Kinon sanding and polishing process. Crafted with precision, finished to perfection.